My name is Stella Lovato, Vice President of College Services. I was involved in the CIP project here at San Antonio College. The impact this Fletcher's administration building has on our community and our students is that it's a one-stop shop. Students are able to come here and get all the information they need and then move on to advising. The Fletcher administration building is about 60,000 square feet. Classrooms and labs included in the Fletcher administration building include the Tino and Millie Duran Welcome Center, the multi-purpose room, and outreach and recruitment, testing and advising, admissions and records, the technology center, student lounge, the Borough Cafe, business office, and the financial aid office. When I see students come into this floor, they look very excited because they come in and they're greeted by our staff. Our staff then takes them to where they need to go as quickly as possible.
Here at the Fletcher building, this is where your story starts. It's not just where you start your education, but this is where you start your journey to make a better life. Think of the Welcome Center here in the Fletcher building as ground zero, the place where you come. We believe here at San Antonio College that everybody deserves a shot at education. It's not just for those who did well in high school. It's not just for those with more monetary resources everywhere. Everybody deserves a shot at education. When you hate your shot at education and you take advantage of it, then you not only uplift yourself, you uplift your family, and you uplift the community that you live in.
I still remember, when I was coming back to school, and I remember the feeling, it was overwhelming, and I knew that I wanted to do something, better for myself. So as a work study here at the Fletcher building, one of the things that we do is we assist, new students, check them in to speak with the enrollment coaches. And when you come here to the Fletcher, it's all in one floor, so you're able to get those answers. And if you feel intimidated or afraid, or you don't know what to do or what to pursue, that's where we come along. We'll get you signed in with the enrollment coach. We have lots of different programs. Those answers that someone might have or doubts, we'll turn those into opportunities, and put them in the right track to success.